Today we will be solving Count the Shapes. This worksheet involves counting various shapes in the given figure. Count the Shape activity is very useful in improving observation and visualization skills. In small children, this is helpful in learning geometric shapes and practicing counting and writing numbers. 3D shapes help build spatial perception. Spatial perception is the ability to perceive and visually understand outside spatial information such as features, properties, measurement, shapes, position and motion. So let us see how to solve it. Count the shapes in the given worksheet. So here you need to count all the shapes, the obvious shapes and also the shapes hidden in background. First standard and second standard have basic two-dimensional shapes, whereas third standard and fourth standard have three-dimensional shapes which involve visualizing objects hidden behind the visible objects. You can use the text tool in Acrobat Reader DC to solve the worksheet. So let us see a solving demo. This is a sample worksheet. Now here we need to count the shapes, the given shapes like the square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These shapes the children need to count and write the number against each shape. So let us go to our comment tool. This time we are going to use the text tool to write our numbers. So this is the text tool. When I click on it, you'll see that the cursor has changed to a A. So now let us see square. The first shape is square. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more 5. So I can just click here and type 5. You can change the color from here if you want. The font size can also be changed. Let's see how many rectangles we have. We have this one rectangle and this one big rectangle. So we have two rectangles. If it is not entered correctly, you can do a backspace to delete it. Just click again at the correct place and type again. Okay. Let's count the triangles. So triangles 1 and 2. So triangles also there are 2 triangles and circles 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me write a 4 here. Now let us see a different type of counting. Here we have been asked to count the squares of all sizes. So here it involves counting the squares which we can directly see and also the squares which are hidden. For example, if you see here, all the directly visible squares are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then we also need to count the squares which are these 2 by 2 squares. So 1, then 2, 3 and 4. So the previous 9 plus 4, so that makes it 13. And then this 3 by 3 square, the outermost, so that is only 1. So 13 plus 1, 14. So total squares here are 14. Now this type of counting is there for second standard, third standard and fourth standard. For third and fourth standard, we have three-dimensional shapes as well. So here, if you see, this is a 3D figure where we want to count the number of 1 by 1 cubes. So all of these are 1 by 1 cubes. Now if we count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we need to understand that there will be 2 more cubes behind these 2 because they need some base to stand. And so they will have 2 more cubes below them. So let us count them again now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10 which are below this. So the number of cubes in this figure are 10. This way you will need to solve the worksheet.